Cold weather means one thing. I'm making Hobak-juk with butternut squash. Hobak-juk or pumpkin porridge is my go-to comfort food. It's so comforting, naturally sweet, and I'll make it easier for you. You'll need butternut squash, whether you grab a whole one or use pre-cut from the store, it all works. Let it simmer in 4 cups of water until soft enough to mash. I'm using a blender, but you can just mash with potato masher. Just let it get nice and soft. Now here's the trick. I add small sweet potato cubes after mashing. They stay tender but add a little bite and extra sweetness. And next we're gonna make it even heartier with black beans and kidney beans. I love adding a good amount of beans to make it even more nourishing. And for the creamy porridge-like texture, mix half cup of glutinous rice powder with water and stir it in. Add a pinch of salt to bring out the flavor and let it thicken, and that's it. By now your kitchen smells amazing, sweet, nutty, and warm. A warm bowl of Hobak-juk always reminds me of home. Try it out for yourself and let me know in the comments. 맛있게 드세요!